Hi there. My name is Rishari, and I am here to share with you a personal resiliency tool. This is just a simple breathing practice called a box breath or box breathing. That's like the simplest name I've heard for it. There's actually four parts. So, what you do is you take a breath in, that's one. Then you pause your breath at the top. That's number two. You exhale. That's number three. And then you pause at the bottom of that exhale. That's number four. That's the four sides of the box. Doesn't matter how long your breath is, doesn't matter how deep, no judgment on your breath, sound, quality, anything like that. The focus is just inhale, pause, exhale, pause, inhale, pause, exhale, pause. This is just natural breathing. You naturally breathe this way. Usually, though, we tend to think of our inhale. We really feel that it moves our body, or we focus on our exhale as a release. That works great. But here we also notice the subtle change between the inhale and the exhale, which results in a pause. Now, I always find that the inhale at the top, it feels like this kind of suspending feeling. And at the exhale, at the bottom, it feels kind of like a floating feeling. Inhale, pause, exhale, pause. Practice with me just twice more. Inhale, suspend, exhale, float. Inhale, pause, and exhale. And then just breathe regularly. After you do an exercise like that, whether it is a breathing exercise or some other type of relaxation exercise, you need to take a moment and do a body scan. You might be surprised that when you work on your breath, that your shoulders and back feel more relaxed. You might be surprised that if you massage your foot, that suddenly that pain in your low back or hip goes away. So always be extra curious as to what exercises, what techniques work for you. You're so unique and so special, and you need to take care of yourself as if you are. Now, just a reminder that your personal resilience is not something that you can plan for so much as it's something that you need to practice now. We're going through some big changes, so let's get ready together. Ridiculous relaxation tools for your personal resilience.